Okay, now as a drill 2 for hot algebra, basic concept, we are solving single variable inequalities. And in this case, we have two or more questionnaires, but mainly the concern is the same thing. We are carrying out same operation on both sides as that of linear equation. And also, okay, we are doing the coefficient, and one of the things that we need to take in consideration is the sign gets flipped when we change the negative to positive. For example, like if your answer is simply okay, for example, if our answer comes in this form, right? Okay, minus x is less than 2, that means we need to find the value of x. For x, we should say that x is greater than minus 2. Whenever you change the sign, x becomes positive and this positive 2 becomes negative. The sign has flipped up, right? Whatever it be the sign, greater than or greater than equal to, this case remains the same. When you change the sign or divide on both sides by minus negative sign or change the sign, the inequality sign gets flipped. Okay, let's try some problems. Let's begin from question 1. Here we have 3w is less than 27. Then which of the following describes all possible value of w? Okay, this is also simply the solving problem of inequality. We need to derive the value for a single variable w. Okay, simply that means for this one we are dividing on both sides by 3, means w is less than 27 by 3. Okay, means w is less than 9. Okay, option A describes w is greater than 7. Okay, this is option D that describes w is less than 9. Okay, next one would be right. Okay, it's very next one. Okay, let's go for question 4. Here we have minus 13 is less than equal to minus 2z, minus 3 less than equal to 1. What could possible value z? Okay, if you see in this instance problem, if you see the options, we get j as a value, means we are simply solving them, a single variable, just the value of it, right? Solving the variable case. Okay, let's do this one. Means we are separating only j in from this middle side, right? Okay, let's do that. Means first thing we need to carry out is, okay, we need to eliminate positive and negative sign, addition or subtraction. For this one means we are eliminating minus 3 as plus 3, and then we have 2, means its multiplication, we have divided by my 2, and this minus sign means we need to change the sign. That changing the sign results in, simply we need to change the sign, the flip of the sign, right? 3 step has to be done. First one, elimination of 3. Secondly, you need to elimination of 2, and thirdly, elimination of minus sign, because we have positive z in all the options. Okay, let's go for it. First we are eliminating minus 3, means we are adding 3 in all sides, means minus 13 becomes plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 results. Okay, minus 13 plus 3 minus 10 less than equal to, simply minus 2z less than equal to, okay, 1 plus 3, it's 4, right? Now we have 2, we need to eliminate 2, means we are dividing all sides by 2. Results minus 5 less than equal to minus 8 less than equal to 2. Okay, noting that, let's simply, we have negative z, negative variable, right? Negative variable, we need to eliminate this one. That means we are changing minus sign into plus sign. That means we need to change sign of each and every one with the sign of inequality getting flipped. That means sign of inequality gets flipped, z greater or equal to, and then the negative 5 becomes positive 5, positive 2 becomes negative 2. And regarding this, we have our option base suitable is 5 must be greater than, okay, less than, okay, we have z greater than minus 2 or greater than minus 2 less than 5. It's option B, right?